What's up, guys? Welcome back to Detail Garage. I'm Hector. So we still got the ZL1 here, and then before it went away, we wanted to make sure we took care of these pipes. So what we're going to use today is a couple tools. We got our workhorse black microfiber towel, our ball buster, and then our light metal polish. I did a little test spot to see how bad they were, and they're pretty bad. A towel by itself will get them cleaner. It just won't get it completely clean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply to our ball buster, get it in the pipes and get a nice finish, nice chrome look again, and get it back. You can see that one side is getting a lot more exhaust than the other. So it just throws it off a little bit. The car looks great after the hydro charge, so we wanna make sure the pipes look great as well. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with this one over here first so we can see a difference of what it should look like versus what it looks like right now, all right? So we're gonna use, like I said, our light metal polish. This is great for copper, aluminum, stainless steel, most metals. And I love it for exhaust pipes like this. It not only cleans and gives you a nice shine, it also leaves a nice little layer of protection behind so it doesn't stick. The exhaust, doesn't stick and build up like it does now. So protect and shine, you can't really beat that, right? So here we go. So we're gonna add to our ball buster. Now, not much is needed. I like doing a couple lines down the top here. All right, and what we'll do is we're just gonna put it on there, work it in. What you don't want is to have it pulled out and then you hit the trigger, you're gonna splatter all over everywhere. So you wanna make sure you get it spread onto the exhaust, and when you're in the exhaust, you're able to spin it while it's in there, because then you'll make a mess. All right, now that we're done, we're gonna grab our workhorse black microfiber towel and buff off any excess and also buff off to a nice shine. All right, guys, so there you have it, all nice and cleaned up and shined up. So again, what's great about this light metal polish is that it cleans and it protects. It leaves a little layer of protection behind. So this exhaust and whatever you're using on, there's no buildup and no corrosion. It doesn't lead to anything embedding into the actual metals. So I'm gonna get to finishing everything up here on the rest of the ZL1. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like, you subscribe, and share it with your friends. But anyways, we'll see you guys here next time at the Detail Garage.
We'll be right back.